What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover a temporarily disabled Snapchat account. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Finding yourself logged out of Snapchat with a message that your account is temporarily disabled can be frustrating. This situation often arises if you've attempted to log in too many times with incorrect credentials. It's a security measure by Snapchat to prevent unauthorized access. But don't worry, there is a straightforward way to regain access. In many cases, simply waiting is enough to resolve the issue. Give it around 10 to 20 minutes, or sometimes even an hour or two. During this waiting period, Snapchat system resets, allowing you another chance to log in. While you're waiting, it's a good opportunity to ensure you're using the correct login credentials. Mistyping your password or username is a common mistake. If you suspect you've forgotten your password, tapping on the Forgot Password option is your next step. You can recover your password through various methods provided by Snapchat, such as via your phone number or email. Follow the prompts to reset or recover your password. This process helps verify your identity and secures your account access. In some instances, the issue might be as simple as entering the wrong username. Double-check your username for any typos. Correcting it might immediately solve your login problem. If recovering your password or correcting your username doesn't work, another troubleshooting step is to update your Snapchat app. Outdated apps can sometimes cause login issues. Open up your App Store, search for Snapchat, and hit the update button if it's available. Keeping your app up to date ensures you're not facing issues due to software bugs. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.